And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the form tag. Already said it in one of my last videos, I've got a bigger form video in my HTML playlist. It's 90 minutes long and it explains everything in detail. So this video is more like a quick reference if you want to know what it's for in general. And as the name suggests, you can create a form with it, and it allows the user to submit input. So usually you nest input text inside, and by default it's a text input. You add a label to it. So for example, the user has to put in his name. To connect label and input, you use for and ID tags. It should have the same value, and usually your input field also has a name. Let me change the value to your name so that it's obvious what the value is here. And name is the attribute. Your name is now the value. So this is the usual approach to using forms. There are many different input types. Once again, I went over all of them in my longer video. Additionally, there are attributes specifically for the form tag. Let us just talk about 3 of them that are, I would say, the most important. First one is the action attribute. It's used to define the URL where you want to send the user information to, so the stuff that's typed in, for example, in the your name input field, it will be sent to this URL. There's also a method. You can use get and post as values for it, and this simply specifies the HTTP method that is used when the form data, so the data inside of the form, is sent. So this may not be a typical beginner topic, it's more like a back-end thing. And finally, there's often a target added, for example blank, and this specifies where to display the response that is received after the data is submitted. So when I set it to _blank, it's going to be opened in a new tab. And these are the basics of using the form tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.